got married. He got involved in a 206, and he kept calling saying, can we go get it? Can we go look at it? Can you help me do a buy? And then it just fell apart, and he didn't end up with it. I don't know what happened. And your carbine is hot. God, there goes more of those birds. What the hell are those little birds doing up here? Now I can't think. This diagonal thing, I can't do it without you remembering you saying, it wasn't Charlie, whoever caught the fence?
Yeah. John King.
John King. Arresting wire. Ooh, that was nice. Our beat's cold.
Are you not that we're going there today, but have you been out to Joe Bender's place at Warbirds recently?
I have not. I have no idea what the status of that place looks like. I am surprised. I mean, I know it's a little protected, but look at that windsock and think about that flag down there at the UV, the drone field, RC field.
Yeah.
That thing was blowing.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
I see what you mean, but staying high and have a good consistent descent rate coming in here.
That was nice.
Yeah, it's better.
That was very nice. Yeah, and you get rid of the whole power thing. It's just one more variable you don't need, don't deal with. Fuel primer, RV's cold, checklist done. So did you opt to put the sling